Here I've got LGK8 2018 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then pick the last tab, which is General, we are here now, and then pick Language and Keyboard. This is the first tab. Now go to the language, and if you would like to add a language, simply click on Add Language, and within a short while, you will be in the whole list of languages. So now come along with it and select the language that you would like to have your device in. I will pick Croatian. And now you just have to swipe up this language to the first place to make it a default one. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. As you can see now, your LGK8 is set up with Croatian, and then if you would like to go back to some other language, to English or some other language, simply go back here and swipe up English. You can also permanently delete Croatian by tapping on bin icon, select it and pick Delete. Confirm that you would like to remove it, and obviously then you can add some other language and make it a default or just an additional language. And that would be all. This is how you can change language in your LGK8 2018. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.